Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Mooncool TK1 electric trike. So this is going to be a product overview video. So let's get into it. Let me show you how the product looks, what it comes with, the features it has, and then I'll give my overall feedback at the end. Here's the Mooncool TK1 electric trike. So you can see that it has the 20-inch rims right here. This is how the front looks. It has this headlamp right here, the front deflector. It has this front basket right here. When you look at it here, once you turn on the power, so you can see the LED screen right here is nice and bright. It shows your battery levels, the pedal assist number, how fast you're going, and then this BR means that the brakes are on. If you want to add pedal assist, you just use a plus. So there's 5 different levels of pedal assist. There's your power on and off. Okay, so if you long press the plus button, the headlights will turn on. And you can see the icon there. You long press it again, it turns off. If you long press the minus button, you can see that this helps you with the walking it. This right here, this is your turn signals. That's your horn. Nice and loud. In order to make the trike move with the electric power, it's a twist grip right here. So the further down that you pull it, the faster it goes. Max speed is 15 miles per hour on a flat surface. Going downhill, I have reached about 18 miles per hour. Right here, you have your parking brake. So to release it, all you do is just press the brakes. If you want to activate the parking brake, you're going to squeeze it as far down and then push this in. Now you have the long brakes. You have this mineral oil braking right here. That's for both sides. You have a bottle holder. Here's your battery right here. You could lock and unlock the battery using the key. Like that. So to take out the battery, you just raise your seat up. And the battery comes out. Very easy. So it takes 7 to 9 hours to charge it to a full charge. And with this battery, you can go up to 70 miles distance. Right here. This one shows your battery levels. If you hold down this button, see right there. If you need to charge it, it comes with a charger. And here's your charging plug. Then to reinsert it, you just align it up, you turn the key to lock it, and now it's safe. You have your 20-inch spoked rear tires. When the brakes are activated, you can see the brake lights are on. The rear basket holds up to 150 pounds. You have an extra wide seat. You can see the large caliper brakes right here, and it has a smooth differential, so you get a smoother ride, better tire wear. You can see the drivetrain motor. This first chain is going to move the rear wheels, and then the other side chain is for pedaling. You can see the large caliper brake on the back also. If you need to raise and lower the handlebar, you just loosen this lever and this goes up and down. If you want to fold the handlebar to store it, you're gonna pull this lever. It spins like so. And then for this one right here, you pull this and pull it towards you, and then you can fold it. So you can see that it folds very neatly. And then you can also take off the wheel, since this has a quick release. Unstick this, loosen it, loosen the bolt, like so. Then you just take off your wheel, and then now I'm gonna fold it so that way I can store it nice and easy. Press this lever here. This comes down. Release this one. This folds inside. So you can see how smooth that it starts to go off without pedaling. So the throttle is very responsive. This trike is very smooth and it runs easily on the road. This trike has a very good turn radius, so you can see how I'm turning the tricycle and I don't have to worry about tipping over. Very smooth. You can see how effortlessly this trike goes up hills. So I'm going up this hill around 15 miles per hour, and I never felt any loss of power or slow down. So it climbs hills very easy, and you don't have to worry about having to pedal or push it up manually. You can even use this trike on grass, on an off-road. The shock absorber works very well, and you barely feel the bumps, and it's still very easy to maneuver on the grass and on unlevel surfaces. And the speed is still constant, 15 miles per hour. So you can see here I am setting up the bike. I'm gonna press the plus button to put it to speed 5, so I could go the max speed, and you can see how the speedometer shows the speed. I'm just turning, so I can go downhill, and I'll show you how fast that this could go. So you can see how well that this trike handles unlevel surfaces. The shock absorber works very well. I'm going downhill, and you can see how the speed climbs very quickly. I'm already going 15. I'm slowing down a little bit, and now I was going 16, 17, and 18 was the fastest that I was able to go down this hill. And then I'm starting to slow down again because I'm gonna be making a U-turn. So you can see how the turn radius is very good also, and now I'm going uphill. So you can see how fast it goes uphill. So you can see I'm reaching 50 miles per hour. And then I'm about to go over this medium here, so I could go up another hill. So this is a little bit steeper hill. And this is me without having to pedal, and it still goes up this steeper hill. I just slow down. And now I'm gonna ride on some grass, and you can see how well it handles the grass surfaces. The shock absorbers are still working very well. So I'm having fun now on this grass. Next, I'm going to show you how well that it brakes. You can see how it brakes very well. It stops on a dime. And if you just want to use this as a regular bicycle, you could easily pedal this with a single gear pedal. And you can still track how fast you're going. It's very easy to pedal. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great electric tricycle. I like how easy it is to put together. I like how you're able to fold it, so when you're not using it, it stores easily. I also like how the battery is a 48-volt battery. I like how I can get up to 70 miles out of the battery. I like that the speed could go up to 15 miles per hour. I also like the turn radius, so I don't have to worry when I turn it about tipping over. I like that it has front and rear disc calipers. It brakes very well. I like how it has the basket in the front and the back, so I could store things here and bring it with me. I like how it has the horn, the turn signals, the lights, the handlebar grips are very good. I also like the drivetrain that is nice and smooth. This is a great tricycle to have for anybody that wants to roam around their neighborhood or even the streets. Thanks for watching.